Hi guys, welcome to Perseverance Software Training Institute, Tirupati. I'm Sai. All right. Basically, we are starting a series for educating students on Docker, which is most popular tool these days, and further as well. All right. We will firstly understand why we are going for Docker. Before that, we should get a background of it. All right, fine. So the green server is nothing but a computer. So this server, which is physical server, we call as BareMetal. All right. So this is BareMetal and this is BareMetal. All right. So initially, when before decades, right? So the on bare metal, meaning on physical servers directly, the applications are being run. Applications are nothing but our softwares, all right? So now, so the problem was this is application, maybe consider it as application one. And if I want to run any other application, which is application two, maybe this application might affect this and this might affect this, and actually this is not a good practice to have two different customers on the same hardware, right? The one can impact the other, correct? So even customers will not be able to approve these kind of approach, right? So where we got something called as virtualization. Okay, so you will be hearing here and there about what are virtual machines, right? So let me tell you that on our bare metal server or physical server, so you know we install a software layer which is nothing but hypervisors. All right, so what is a hypervisors are nothing but you know um, it is a software which helps us to basically logically partition the physical hardware into different isolated missions. So that is where we call each mission as virtual mission. So virtual mission is like it completely, it looks like the operating system what we have on the physical mission, but this is virtual. This virtual mission depends on this bare metal. All right, so completely, so this virtual depends on this bare metal. So virtualization technology, all right, virtualization technology is all about logically partitioning one physical bare metal into different virtual machines, so which will have different capacities like CPU or RAM, etc. The complete hardware capacity is dependent on this bare metal, obviously, because bare metal is the physical server is like the parent and this VMs are childs. Okay, virtual machines are also called as VMs. And on top of this VM, so now what will happen is on VMs we run apps. Now one virtual machine can have apps isolated as well, and on the same bare metal server we have another virtual machine will be which will have another app, right? So this is the history of virtual machines. All right, so container, let me cover in another video. So just try to understand what is the difference between running applications on bare metal server and virtual machines which uses hypervisors. All right, fine guys, thank you so much for your time. So next video we'll see what exactly containers are. All right, thank you.